Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best shampoo that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video! Starting at number 5, we have the Dove Intensive Repair Shampoo. Dove Repair Shampoo is designed to bring life back to your damaged hair. With each wash, it strengthens your hair up to 10 times compared to regular shampoos. The formula, enriched with glutamic amino serum, effectively reduces 98% of visible damage caused by breakage. It also features bioprotein care technology, which replenishes your hair with essential proteins, ensuring it looks healthier and stronger. For the best results, apply the shampoo to wet hair, lather, and rinse, followed by a conditioner. This product is a great choice for anyone looking to restore their hair's vitality. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Dove Coconut and Hydration Shampoo. Dove Coconut Shampoo offers intense hydration, making your hair soft and smooth. With its unique formula enriched with coconut oil, this shampoo helps to lock in moisture for up to 24 hours, ensuring your hair stays nourished throughout the day. The bioprotein care technology works to strengthen your hair by replenishing it with essential proteins with each wash. It's easy to use, just lather up in wet hair and rinse, followed by the matching conditioner for best results. This shampoo is also scientifically backed, offering a reliable solution for repairing and restoring damaged hair. At number 3, we have the Dove Daily Moisture Shampoo. Dove Daily Moisture is specially formulated for dry hair, ensuring it becomes soft, smooth, and easy to manage right from the first wash. Infused with hyaluronic serum, this shampoo aims for 100% smoothness, helping you achieve a sleek look effortlessly. The bioprotein care technology in this product regenerates hair strength, providing essential protein with every wash. Simply apply to wet hair, lather, and rinse to experience the benefits of this scientifically backed shampoo that repairs and protects your hair, reducing damage over time. At number 2, we have the BIOLAGE Hydra Source Shampoo. BIOLAGE Hydra Source. Shampoo is a hydrating shampoo infused with aloe that gently cleanses and quenches dry hair while attracting moisture. It helps optimize moisture balance for a weightless finish and provides up to 15x more moisturized hair after just one application. Suitable for all hair textures and types, this professional shampoo leaves hair soft and shiny. Paraben-free, silicone-free, mineral oil-free, and colorant-free. And finally, at number 1, we have the Nexxus Clean and Pure Clarifying Shampoo. Nexxus Clean and Pure Clarifying Shampoo is a lightweight, hydrating shampoo that gently cleanses and nourishes hair. Formulated with an exclusive protein fusion blend of elastin protein and marine minerals, it replenishes vital nutrients and recovers hair's natural shine, movement, and moisture. This silicone, dye, and paraben-free shampoo is safe for even dull, dry, or damaged hair and is great for all hair types. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.